Okay, so this is our pre-launch page where you can sign up right here and find out even more information about the Gamepad Quest kit. We're also going to be giving away some free multimeters and soldering kits, and we're hoping to be able to get some feedback from you all as we do this. This is a page that I just built myself, so may not be too fancy, but it does kind of lay out some of the project information. Just kind of the initial idea for a Kickstarter launch video. If you want to check that out, let me know what you think. I think we'll be improving upon that as we go along and hopefully adding some new things and new images of the instruction booklet, the 3D printed controller case, those types of things. So I promise there's not going to be any spam. I'll probably only send out a couple emails to this, but please consider signing up. It lets me know who's interested in the project, but also who I can send early access things to. For instance, get feedback on the designs, what looks good, questions about any 3D printed cases, and what people really care about. Also, I do want to create some free giveaways, such as some t-shirts and things like that. So I'm looking for some feedback on that as well. So please consider signing up. You can use your email, phone number, whatever you prefer. When you sign that up, you actually get access to some of our other content we have already worked on. So you get a little sneak peek so far, but we'll be adding more to this page as we go. So consider getting going on Kickstarter and go ahead and hit that notify me on launch button so you get any updates, but we'll also update you through email and through text if you sign up with us. But yeah, you do get access to a couple of our videos that we've been working on, and this is just a small sample, but we wanted to give you some sort of like a free access pass to what some of the stuff we have, and we'll be adding to this as we go. So yeah, let me know what you think. If there's any ways to improve it, anything that you think that I should add to it, love to hear it. Thanks.